How to highlight in PDF in laptop. Find the PDF file you want to work with on your laptop. Click on the file to select it. Right-click on the file to bring up a menu. After right-clicking, you'll see a menu pop up. Hover your mouse over the Open with option in the menu. Click on Microsoft Edge from the list of options. Once the PDF opens in Microsoft Edge, look through the document to find the text you want to highlight. Click and hold your mouse button at the beginning of the text you want to highlight. Drag your mouse cursor to the end of the text while holding the button down. Release the mouse button once all the desired text is selected. Look for the toolbar that appears at the top of the screen when you select text. Find the icon that looks like a marker or highlighter. Click on that icon. After clicking the highlighter icon, a color palette will appear. Click on the color you want for your highlight. So, there you have it. Highlighting text in a PDF on your laptop is as easy as clicking and dragging. It's a handy skill for students, professionals, or anyone who works with digital documents. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.